Hello, how you doing? It's Jody, by the way. She's from Conexu, and she's going to do her hearing test in 5 seconds. So, you're going to have a hearing test today?
I'm going to go have a hearing test.
Alright, so we're going to go to Australian Hearing Band over there, and we're going to do a walk. So come on, hearing test, let's go. So, there's nothing to be scared of, it's only a couple of beeps and things like that.
Okay, thanks for preparing me.
Okay, so what do you expect your test is going to be like?
I'm hoping that I pass.
Yep.
But I'm just curious, really. Mostly just curious.
Alright, so what we're doing is we're going to the Australian Hearing Bus. It's outside. It's a beautiful day out here.
It is. Oh. Is that where I'm going?
Yeah, Bouncing Castle. That's what we're talking about.
Can I go there instead?
No, we're going to see, we get a hearing test here. That's the hearing bus there. Jody's going to go in there. So we'll pause, and the next you'll see Jody with her headphones. And Jody's going to hearing test. Bye-bye.
Okay. Are you taking a picture?
No, we're going to watch her have it. I'll stand here. There she goes.
Oh, you're going to film it, are you?
Is that okay?
Yeah, usually I just close this door because it's quite noisy.
Oh, yeah.
That's okay if you want to.
Yeah.
That's okay. Are you concerned about your hearing?
She's going in for hearing test. What they're doing is putting headphones on, and that will help her actually pick up the sounds and take the other ones out. And I think she's going to have a little button, and she's been instructed on how to do a test. It's just getting used to, and it's going to start frequencies now. Candidate's gone to have a look. Cool.
Thanks very much.
Okay, so there we are. Hello. How was it?
Well, the test itself was, I was curious to see if I had a hearing loss. Not that I think that I've missed things or anything like that, but it's just something you think about, I guess. And having the chance now to have the test was really easy. And I have normal hearing.
No damage?
No damage.
So far?
No, not so far.
So you're relieved?
I don't know.
No? Okay, but you had a test though, that's amazing.
Yeah.
So what do you say to your friends out there?
Just go to the bouncy castle. Do we go to the bouncy castle now?
We could do that.